As the second part of this Spiderman interactive movie, we are going to do the action scripting part by using Adobe Flash CS6. So let's take a look about how to connect the relevant XML file with the Adobe Flash CS6 through the action scripting part. As the first step, I am going to add the action layer on here and define variables according to my example. I'm going to create a new variable XML data on the data type as the XML, and I'm going to create another variable XML data loader as a URL loader, an equal new URL loader. I'm going to create a new object by using the XML data loader, and I'm going to load the relevant XML file inside of the XML data loader object. I can use the load function in here, XML data loader load, and this is the XML file name, and new URL request. I'm going to get the URL request on here as the Spiderman data.xml, and define one event on here, XML data load add event listener event complete read XML. Read XML is the function to read the XML file. When I debug this action script, I have an error because there is no read XML function, and I'm going to create the function to read XML with the events and colon void XML data equal new XML e target dot data. Now our XML data available on the XML data variable, that means our XML file data available on the XML data variable inside of this XML script. So we can trace this XML data variable. You can see in the output window our XML file is loaded into the XML data variable. I can access the XML data.fchar, that means the first element of the XML file fchar. You can see that output, and I am going to XML data.fchar.topic element trace. You can see the output in the output window in here. I am going to create a new movie clip as the MC_main movie clip. I am going to get the layer text layer and create a dynamic text on here, and going to align this text as the top edges with the left edge, and going to name this text box as the txt topic, and also get the layer as the movie clip, and this movie clip add to the stage, and going to name this movie clip as the MC main. So I'm going to create a new variable as the topic variable with the string data type, string data type, and going to create a new event for my button. My button name is btnsp1 and event listener, and create new function event data. Inside of this function, event data function, I'm going to show the relevant XML data inside of the text box under the MC main movie clip. So I write down the topic equal XML data.fchar.topic. That means my XML file first element fchar, and the topic is the Spiderman 1 text. So I'm going to write down in here MC main, that is my movie clip, and the txt topic is the text box inside of this MC_main movie clip, and text is the property of the txt topic text box equal topic. You can see the output, and I'm going to do the same thing by duplicating the btnsp2 button. In this situation, I'm going to use the same function inside of here by using the if function. Inside of the fn load data, I'm going to check which button is clicked on here by e.currentTarget equal btnsp1. You can use the same function, the btnsp2 button, by using e.currentTarget equal btnsp2. So I'm going to change my XML file with the relevant image. I have two images on here, Spiderman 1 and Spiderman 2.png, and add a new tag as the image tag to the fchar element and the schar element. So now I'm going to load my image, that image inside of my action script. So I'm write down here the new variable img loader variable as a loader. So I'm going to create a new movie clip MC character and add this MC character movie clip inside in the MC underscore main movie clip. Before I'm going to do that, I have to update my ruler settings in here to find out where is the place to add this MC underscore character movie clip inside of this MC underscore main movie clip. So I just the settings in here. Now I have MC underscore character movie clip inside of the MC underscore main. So I'm going to load my image by img loader.load new URL request. I'm going to get another URL request xml data.fchar.image. That is my new tag, image tag, and star.image, that is the second tag. Now I have MC underscore main inside of this MC underscore MC main movie clip. I have MC character movie clip and add child is img loader. Img loader means this img loader have the relevant image file from the according to the XML data. So now I click on the button, you can see the image and the text appear on the stage. As the last step, we can add the animation.